A very good evening to one and all. I welcome back you once again to my YouTube video in this beautiful evening of this winter season, and I'm going to highlight about India's judiciary system again. In the month of November last year, I have made a video regarding India's judiciary system, and I have highlighted when Justice Surya Kant took oath as the 53rd Chief Justice of India. So I've highlighted that the main task ahead of him is to reduce the backlogs of the pendency of cases in India's judiciary system. As I've highlighted that 88,000 cases are pending in Supreme Court, and more than 5 crore cases are pending in the whole judiciary system of India from top to bottom. So the main reason behind it, I'm going to tell you with the help of an example. So there is a recent data published and which says that 1310 people were given death sentences from the lower courts of India. And when these people reached to the higher court, that means high courts only confirmed 70 people were to be given that sentence. So the number is staggeringly low. And when the same people reached to the Supreme Courts, only 36 people were confirmed and were given that sentence. So the number again is staggeringly very low. So this shows that there is an erroneous or unjustified conviction by the lower courts, because this is getting unproved at the higher courts, that is high courts or Supreme Courts. So the main issue is that the cases which should have been resolved at the lower courts are reaching to the higher courts, and even the decisions are getting completely reverted by the higher courts. So what is the meaning of the lower courts and what are they doing basically? This is increasing the litigation fatigue of common people, because the cases which should have been resolved at the lower level and at the time as well, this is increasing the time, and as well as this is increasing the fatigue of the common people. And this is a very big issue, and this is one of the main reasons why these cases are pending in India's judiciary system, and why people are losing their money, their time, their everything, their peace of mind, and they are reaching to the higher courts. So this is major drawbacks of India's judiciary system, and we need to think about it. The cases needs to be the pendency of cases needs to be reduced, and there is a need of reform in India's judiciary system. Thank you.